This is a Hobart dishwasher that won't fill itself anymore. This machine heats its own water, heats its own wash water and its own rinse water, and it can be hooked to cold water or hot water. They have it hooked to booster heater water. 190 degrees comes in to that little plastic valve. The valve can't handle 190 degree water, so now it's just kind of melted on the inside. You know, the water trickles in ever so slowly. So we're going to replace that valve now. There's our built-in booster heater. Now that's unhooked, I'm going to tuck this hose down into this drain, and I'm going to turn the water back on to the booster heater. I'm going to run every bit of boiling hot water out of the booster heater. Here's our new valve. This is shaped different from the old one. That's going to be okay. I'll swap the mounting bracket. These are different size screws. Now they'll mount in like that, and yeah, no big deal. It's all hooked up. Our inlet and outlet temperatures are the same now. Our booster heater is full of regular hot water. No leaky. Hey, check that out. That's the sound of water flowing into the booster tank because the fill valve works now. So this is fixed. And that's just getting left off. Moral of the story is read the instructions. This says it heats its own water right here. See? And right here on this, it says right here that the water coming in needs to be 110 or 120 degrees. The guy that installed it just thought that all dishwashers need a booster heater, and they don't. To fill, these things just cycle between rinsing and filling their rinse cycle over and over again. But there's one more thing I want to do. There we go. Just to protect people from themselves.